Hi friend, good morning to everyone. Today by new vlogs. Welcome to my this new vlogs. Today in this video, I have started make this video from my room to my shop. Yesterday I made from shop to my room, and today is about from my accommodations to my shop. So during these 15 minutes until I reach to my shop, I will share some important things, some important line which you can use in your life to make happy and to make something best. So in this video I'm gonna tell you that most of people have been asking me, and most of people they have been commenting me, and they saying that I just want to learn English in a very less time. Okay, so in this video I will tell you some important tips and tricks which they can apply, or even you can apply to make your English more easy. So because in today's world is very frustrating, and most people have they say that I do not have time for practicing my English. So what I would like to say to them, just do one to two things which I will tell you in this video. So if you want to learn, if you want to improve your spoken skill, if you want to learn English, then watch my video till the end. So guys, the first and most important things I would like to share is important is that listening skill, guys. The listening is the key to be a fluency in any language. It is a very most essential part of learning any language. I can just give you example your own tongue, your mother tongue. How did you become fluent in your mother tongue? Did you go to schools? Did you go to college? And did you go to any university? Did you, any of your teachers taught you your mother tongue? No, nobody have taught you. You just learn that's your mother tongue because that's your own language, and you got the surrounded by yourself. You got a chance to listen more and more unless you speak. I can understand you're not being able to speak up. You were listening. It takes 2 years, but you were not. You couldn't reply. You were just crying something like. But you have not stopped of listening. So that's the key. That's the key because you had not stopped of listening. Your consistent listening. So that's the key, guys. If you want to become more fluent in any language, this is the key. Listening is the key. If you do not stop of listening, you start of listening all the time. Okay guys, so the listening is the key. You just have to think more about it. Then the writings and reading is the separate thing. The first thing is listening. When you listen, you can speak, and when you read, you can write. These two things are complementary, related to each other. You must have to follow it if you want to be perfect, or what I can say, if you want to improve your speaking skills. So these two things you have to work most. And along that, I want to just ask you that you have been studying in your college, you have been studying in your university or in your schools. Did your teachers told you to listen? They have told you to listen. They have given any exercise of listening in your schools, in your classroom. What do you think? If your answer say yes, I have got a chance of listening in my school. There is some exercises, some practices our teachers told every day to listen. Then obviously your speaking skills would be the good. But if they have not given you a chance of listening, then I can tell you there will be a more high chance that you are not good at it speaking. Even maybe you be good at in writings, doing exercise and practicing something like that. But I can certainly say that you would not be good at it speaking. You would be feeling hesitation. You would be feeling something like that. Okay, so these are the things which I just told you. It's very important. It doesn't matter either you are speaking, either you're learning English, either you're learning Hindi, either you're learning French, either you're learning any language, guys. This is the key. If you are passionate about that, you can become. But you have to go in system, because if you do not go in a system, you cannot get anything. I'll give you one example. One guy was he likes tea very much. You know what he did? He was preparing the tea First he put ghee masala. Okay, now he take one small katori and he took ghee masala. Then he remember I need to put a water also. So then he put water. Then he put some other masala. Then he think about sugar. After that he start of eating. So you can understandably think about that tea was not that much familiar or that much what to say flavor. Why? Because the process was the wrong. That not that much taste because process was wrong. He put first tea masala. So when you put the tea masala, it starts vibrating automatically, and then it start blooming something like that. Then again, you put the water, so the taste has gone out. In the same way, if you want to learn English, you do the readings, writing, but you do not do what is important first. So you will go in wrong way. So that's why that is very important, guys. You will have to do. So these are the things, guys, which were very important. So I just wanted to say to my viewer, to my friends, those who are watching my video, just to make them happy and to help them to track them in a right direction. Okay, so if you like these videos, please like, follow and share and subscribe, and we'll meet in the next video. So thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.